Hey guys, what's up? This is my aunt's kitchen. I decided to come and visit her for a couple of days from LA. Anyways, I wanted to show you guys some of my favorite healthy snacks. So I am a big believer that you should constantly eat little bits of food throughout the day to keep your metabolism going. I think it's really important to do that instead of just eating very large giant meals 2 or 3 times a day. I think that really stops your metabolism from working. I'm a big believer of you constantly want to work your metabolism. It can just be little bits every couple hours, but that is how I do it, and I have always been able to maintain a pretty healthy physique as a result. So here are some of my favorite go-to snacks. They are super simple. I love simplicity when it comes to snacks. They're also very healthy, have a lot of added nutrients and benefits. And I probably eat these about 2 to 3 times a week. I'm not even joking. So my first go-to snack is a Greek yogurt parfait. I use Greek yogurt because it has a higher protein count than regular yogurt. I also get plain yogurt with a muddled fruit. This one has muddled peaches in it. Plain yogurt always has lower sugar content than flavored yogurts, and that way I know exactly what is in the yogurt and what is going into my body. Next, I put in fresh fruit. I love to go with fresh blueberries because they have great antioxidant properties. They're known to slim belly fat, and they are very delicious, especially with plain yogurt. Next, I add whole grain granola. This adds a punch of fiber, iron, and is made out of whole grains, so it'll keep you sustained throughout the day. And last but not least, I add a spoonful of nuts to give it a punch of protein. Adding protein to every single meal is extremely important because it helps to keep you full longer and sustained throughout the day. Next is a whole grain turkey wrap. I start with a whole grain protein tortilla as the base. Next, I layer it with freshly cut turkey from the deli. I always recommend deli cut instead of buying it packaged. I feel like it has a lot less chemicals, it's not processed, and it's a lot more fresh, and you know exactly when you're getting it. I'm a big vegetable fan, so I like to add a lot of spinach to the center of my turkey roll. Remember, when you're adding any sort of vegetables or fillings, to always try to put it on one side, so that way you can easily fold the tortilla in half when you're doing your folding. Next, I give it an added punch of flavor by adding a tablespoon of yogurt sauce. Yogurt sauce is fantastic because it gives it delicious flavor as well as adds probiotics to the sandwich. Next, I'm making a veggie plate. It is so simple yet delicious and really healthy. I honestly feel weird calling it a plate. It's literally just chopped up vegetables and nuts next to one another. But hey, it is super simple, and I honestly eat this religiously throughout the week, so I wanted to share it with you guys here. You can use any of your favorite vegetables or any ones that you have in your fridge. So as you guys can see, I chopped up some yellow pepper, some cucumber, and added some trail mix. I always go for the trail mix that has no added chocolate and is just nuts and fruit. Also, I love eating fresh veggies. Fresh veggies is such a wonderful way to get in your fiber, your potassium, and vitamin A and vitamin C all in one serving. Anyways, thank you guys so much for joining and watching this video. Again, these are 3 super simple yet go-to snacks that I eat throughout the week. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And remember to subscribe to check out any of my latest workout tips, health, eating, wellness, you know it.